Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about the devices in Entra ID. Devices, you can list your devices in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Under Identity, you have devices. Here you get the overview of the devices and all devices. This will list all the devices in your tenant. So these are the devices part of my tenant. And here under Join Type, you could see three different type. One is Microsoft Entra Registered, the other one is Microsoft Entra Joined, and one more type, Microsoft Entra Hybrid Joined. Microsoft Entra Hybrid Joined. So that you could see three type of devices in my tenant. One is Microsoft Entra Registered, Entra Joined, and Hybrid Joined. What is the difference between this? Why we need these three type of devices? What it is? This is what we are going to see in this session. These days, many people use their own phones, tablets, or laptops to do the office works. This is called BYOD, bring your own devices. Because of this, IT team have two main responsibilities. First one, make work easy for everyone. They want to help, which means IT team want to help employees to work from anywhere, at any time, at any device they like. Second responsibility of the IT team is that keep everything safe. At the same time, they must make sure that the company data and systems are protected from the hackers, virus, and other risks. So basically, it has become the IT team responsibility to allow the users to work from anywhere, from any device, at any time, by securing the company data and all the other risks. So this is possible by joining the devices to the Entra ID, and the users will be, uh, and the admin will be securing the device, securing the company data by using the help of Microsoft Intune and Entra ID. So this is what we are discussing now. We start with Microsoft Entra Registered. Microsoft Entra Registered devices. As this is the first one, we are going to discuss Microsoft Entra Registered devices. The goal of Microsoft Entra Registered devices is to provide users with support of bring your own devices and mobile device scenarios. In this scenario, a user can access your organization Microsoft Entra ID controlled resources using a personal device. For example, you have your Android phone. Through the Android phone, you want to access the company email. So it is the administrator responsibility that the company data should not be leaked. It should be secured. So the company, your mobile Android device should be enrolled to Intune. So definition of Entra Registered is nothing but registered to Microsoft Entra ID without requiring organizational account to sign into the device. You will be signing into your device with your, consider you have a laptop, you will be signing with your local user ID and password to the machine. But at the same time, when you are access to the resource in the organization can be further limited based on the Microsoft Entra account. Conditional access policies apply to the device identity. Consider you have a Windows 10 laptop, mobile, we keep it aside. We talk about the Windows 10 laptop. Consider you are using a Windows 11 laptop. You log into the machine as with your local ID and password. You can do all the things, whatever you do it in the laptop. But when it comes to accessing the resources in your organization, when you are trying to access the email or the virtual machine that is allocated to you in Azure portal, so when you access that, it can be further limited based on the Entra I account, and conditional access policies apply to that device identity. All these videos are available in my channel. You can watch it. And scenarios for registered devices, I have already explained in which scenario we have to use Microsoft Entra Registered. you have your own laptop, you don't want to join that machine to the domain or to the Entra ID, but at the same time you want to access the your organization email or some other or any other resources. In such scenario, you can register your device. So that is the scenario of registering devices. We have discussed about Microsoft Entra registered devices. We talk about bring your own devices and all that area we have covered. Now we come with Microsoft Entra Joined devices. So what is this Microsoft Entra Joined devices? Microsoft Entra Join is intended for the organization that want to be cloud first or cloud only. If you are intended to work only on cloud or cloud you are giving the first preference, then you can choose Microsoft Entra Joined devices. Any organization can deploy Microsoft Entra Joined devices no matter the size or industry. Even if it is a very small industry or a big industry or whatever industry you are in, you can deploy Microsoft Entra Joined devices. So what are the scenarios where Microsoft Entra Join comes in picture? Microsoft Entra Join is primarily intended for organizations that do not have on-premises Windows Server or Active Directory infrastructure. We are well familiar with the local Active Directory and the domain controller and that infrastructure. We are very familiar with that. Wherever this local directory or Windows Server Active Directory infrastructure is not there, it is primarily intended. In such premises, Entra Join will be applicable. Or if you want to manage your MDM devices through Intune, then you can use Entra Join devices. Or your users primarily need to access Microsoft 365 or other some SaaS applications integrated with Microsoft Entra ID. In such scenario, you can use Entra Join. So basically, where on-premise itself is not there, then Entra Join will be more suitable. Wherever on-premise infrastructure, on-premise Active Directory and domain controller, that infrastructure wherever it is not there, in such scenario, Entra Join will be more suitable and applicable. The third type of device registration is nothing but hybrid Microsoft Entra Joined devices. We are well aware of the local Active Directory and the setup of the local Active Directory. Here we have the computers and the departments, domain controllers, users, resource mailbox, and we can manage the endpoints through group policy or configuration manager. So this is normally the infrastructure of a local Active Directory. So what is the definition of Microsoft Entra Joined devices? Is nothing but joined to on-premise AD and Microsoft Entra ID requiring organization account to sign into the devices. Joined to an on-premise AD and Microsoft Entra ID. So both is required in your organization. You require the local Active Directory, which is on-premise AD, and at the same time Microsoft Entra ID requiring organizational account to sign into the devices. In such scenario, you can use hybrid Microsoft Entra Joined devices. It is primary audience suitable for hybrid organization with existing on-premise AD infrastructure. Device ownership is with the organization. Now let us see how you can implement this hybrid setup. For that, we normally use Microsoft Entra Connect. You can create another virtual machine or any physical server. We can set up another machine to install Microsoft Entra Connect. This is the link where you can download the Microsoft Entra Connect application. Nowadays, it is not applicable. It is not allowed to download from internet. Even if you download this, you won't get the installation file. Instead of that, you will be getting a PDF file which is asking you to download it from your tenant. So from last month onwards, you will not be able to download Microsoft Entra Connect from internet. You will have to log in internet in the sense from the public site. You will have to go to your tenant and your Microsoft Entra admin center, come to hybrid management. Down to that, we have Microsoft Entra Connect. Here you can get Connect Sync and you can download the latest Entra Connect Sync. From here, you can download the Microsoft Entra Connect. See, Microsoft Entra Connect is the application that connect your on-premise Active Directory, which is this local Active Directory, with the cloud one. which is the Entra ID. You will have to set up a separate virtual machine for that. You set according to your organization. If your organization is very small, you can install even in the domain control itself, but it is not recommended. Even if it is a very small infrastructure also, you will have to install a separate virtual machine for that, virtual machine or physical machine. Once that machine is ready, you will have to download the Entra ID Connect from the tenant. Earlier it was available in the public site. Now you will have to download from your Entra admin center itself. Once you download that, you will have to install that and configure it. While configuring, you are informing which all OU to be synced with the cloud. While the configuration, you can we can mention it which all OUs to be synced with cloud. If you are selecting the computers OU, the container, all the machines that is part of these computers will be synced to cloud, and it will show as hybrid Entra connected devices. If you come here to the devices overview, all devices, here you could see Microsoft Entra Hybrid Joined devices. These devices are synced from the on-premise Active Directory through Entra ID Connect. So that was all about Hybrid Microsoft Entra Joined devices. I have already done a detailed video on how to install Microsoft Entra Connect and configure it. The video is available in my channel. I shall add it in the description. Please do watch if you have to get more idea about Microsoft Entra Connect, how it works, how it to be configured. All that I have very clearly explained in that video. I'm winding up for the day. We will meet in the other video. Till then, goodbye.